So here's EarnOS app in Worldcoin. So you can earn Worldcoin tokens every day. Earn money by discovering best new products and brands on Earth. So let's take a look at it. So there are some giveaways. You need to verify with your World ID, Humanity Verified, and then you need to engage in some of the missions. So you need to compete in this, and then you just join newsletter, and then visit link and do the things, and then you will get some kind of reward. Total prize pool $5,000, real rewards, and then basically you need to complete it, and then there will be giveaway for that. So something like it. So that's the idea how you can engage in this. And yeah, so try it out.